Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone Bluetooth not connecting in easy steps. Step 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Go to settings, then Bluetooth and turn it off. Wait for 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple toggle fix the connection issue. Step 2. Restart iPhone and device. Restart your iPhone and the device you are trying to connect to. Many connection problems clear after a fresh start. Step 3. Forget the Bluetooth device. Go to settings, then Bluetooth, then your device. Then forget this device. Then try pairing it again. This clears old pairing data that may cause problems. Step 4. Check device compatibility. Make sure your device is compatible with your iPhone and is in pairing mode. Same older devices need a special step to connect. Step 5. Reset network settings. If Bluetooth still doesn't work, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset network setting. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN settings, but you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Outdated software can cause Bluetooth bug. Updating obtained, fix it. And that's how to fix iPhone Bluetooth connection problems. Follow those steps and you should be connected in no time. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.